This is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to demonstrate you one of the research topic for the OFDM PON. PON is basically a passive optical network, which is a fiber optical network utilizing a point to multi-point topology. So basically the funda behind implementing this is to deliver the data from single to multiple user endpoints. So for this the optical networks are recommended. If we are going to see the network, that how it looks, it is kind of like this, that one user will be there, optical network will be there, and multiple user at the receiver end. So this concept is implemented by using the OPTI system. So number of papers are available on the internet to understand the concept of this. So what we have done, we have implemented the OFDM PON system with MQM modulation, right? So for MQM means M can be varying, that is 4QM, 16QM, 32QM. So we have implemented the model for the 4, 16 and 32. The system that we have designed, that is having the OFDM transmitter and the receiver model, right? So for example, I was referring this paper in which the transmitter is here, in which the signal is there, the lasers are used for the transmission, then the optical channel, optical transmission link is used, in which the optical amplifier, optical fiber are used for the data transmission from one location to another with the defined distance that to be covered by the fiber. At the receiver end, it is kind of the photo detectors which are used for the optical communication. The OFDM PON that we have implemented in the system is basically having the concept like this, in which we are having the multiple OFDM channels at the receiver end and single at the transmitter end, which is providing us the results and is analysis over the Q factor and other terminologies. For this advanced optical model is designed, which is providing effective result with respect to the previous systems. Secondly, this is the reference model that I am going to show you on the system. So I diagram analysis, Q factor analysis and BER analysis is performed for MQM, that is 4QM, 16QM at the 32QM. So for more details you can contact us directly, and this model is designed in the OPTI system 14. Most of the guys are using the OPTI system 7, so the model is not going to run on those systems. So for having these codes or the modification in these systems, you can contact us directly, and also to get the latest research topics, stay tuned to our net channel where you can get the recent ideas. We provide IEEE based reference papers for the implementation. This is a very basic paper that I am showing you for the OFDM systems, from where you can understand the concept and analysis the results. So as the constellation diagram can be there, modulation in the frequency domain, how signal look like, that analysis can be done. So this is just a basic. The implementation that we have done, that is advanced model, and different sections of the optical communication are considered in that. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys have liked this video.